So what do you need to do to get the best results from this hypnosis session? Well, what you need to do is find a quiet place you won't be disturbed. Use headphones if they're available, but once you're not being disturbed, and then the main thing is to focus and engage in the suggestions that are given to you. Just relax and let it wash over you. That's all you need to do to get the best successful results from this session. However, how you can improve it immensely is by listening to the hypnosis session for 21 days. 21 days. And the reason for that is, you've learned to do many things in your life. Now, you did not learn the first time. It was a little bit difficult at first. So just like that, the mind takes time to be programmed at a deeper level. So by listening to the recording for 21 days, you program your mind to be the way you want it to be. And then it really takes root and becomes a part of who you are. So that's what you need to do. Quiet place, headphones, 21 days. Listen, engage,